Glorious God, beautiful King, excellent God, I bow before your throne. Hello, lovely viewers. This is your girl Evee. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. Very, very necessary. So today I'm sharing with you how I made this beautiful and luxurious canned beef and egg stew. Very simple to prepare. In view of this, I want to thank all of you guys for your massive support. Thank you so much. God bless you. If you are new to my channel, thank you and welcome. Kindly click on the notification button so that anytime I post a new video, you will be notified. So let's go. I have my basic ingredients here. And for my tomatoes, I'll be using this canned chopped tomatoes. You can use any tomatoes of your choice. So I have some onion, egg, pepper, and canned beef, curry powder. So I begin by prepping my ingredients, starting with my onions. So for peppers, I'm using this green chili pepper. You can use any pepper of your choice. So now I have preheated my skillet, so I add some sunflower oil to it, and then I begin with my onions. So I add my green chilies and fry for like about 2 minutes. I love to enjoy this recipe and its crunchiness. So I add some minced garlic and ginger for more taste and flavor. So at this point, I add my tomatoes, stir for a while, and then cover it to simmer for about 5 minutes. I don't want to overcook my veggies. I want to enjoy its natural taste. So whilst my stew is cooking, I crack my eggs, add some salt and some tasty and fresh all-purpose seasoning to it. You really need to get yours. My stew is doing glorious. Friends and family, you need to be here. The aroma alone. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to enjoy this beautiful recipe. So I add my curry powder, I know you are craving for this already. Oh my God. Thank you, Jesus. Still do the papa hair. So I add some salt to taste, just a little. Stir it for a while. And then ready to add my next ingredient, that is the canned beef. Canned beef or corned beef or corned beef. How do you call yours? Send me a comment. So I drop it into my stew, but in chunks. Then I gently stir it so it doesn't tear apart. So gently, gently, gently. So just cover it for it to simmer like about 2-3 minutes. And just look at that. Oh my God. Juicy. So I add my eggs to it. Then I cover it and then lower my heat. So I just lower my heat so the eggs will cook gently and gradually on its own so it doesn't burn. That is where we get the chunks of the eggs. Wash it. Just look at it. So you stir, but gently and gradually, not vigorously, please. You see how I'm stirring it gently. Yeah. We want to enjoy the chunks of the eggs in our stew or our sauce. So you see the beauty is unfolding already, and the aroma, friends and family, you need to be here. So I add some fresh onion to it. Yeah. For garnishing and also to enjoy the freshness of the onion. You know, the first onion is cooked, so at this point we add this one to it so we can enjoy some crunchiness of the onion. Yeah, so I cover it and allow it to simmer for just 3 minutes, and voila, our canned beef egg stew is ready. I know you want to try this, so please just look at how beautiful, how juicy, and how luxurious it is. Kindly give this a try and send me a comment. You can enjoy this with kenkye, with rice, with yam. I am going to enjoy it with some bread and some rice. So thank you for staying and enjoying this beautiful recipe. I hope you're going to try it. I love you. God bless you for your support. Tasty and fresh. We really, really appreciate you. So come and join me. Let's enjoy some lunch. So see you in our next video. Bye bye.